Hello, my name is Rebecca, and I'm a graduate student from the University of Southern Mississippi. These Microsoft Access tutorials are a culminating project in my last master's course. I hope you find them easy to follow and very informative. What is Microsoft Access? Well, Access is a database which allows the user to retrieve data stored in the database, sort it, analyze it, and report results. Access is really useful when your data changes often or is complex. Think of it like a filing cabinet that you can more easily change and manipulate. So how does Access store your data? You can enter your various lists of data. The lists by themselves can be entered and kept by other software. However, relationships can be created in Access, so lists can interact and be cross-accessed. Think of this as you and your spouse's Christmas card lists. You make a list, and your spouse makes a list. You each have your own list, but you have mutual friends. You would not have to enter the mutual friends 2 times, but you could list them once and then create a relationship between you and your spouse's list, so a query could be pulled from both lists. Something very important is to plan your database before you actually get started. You should consider the scenarios in which the user will be entering data, what you'll need to look up the data for, or really what you're looking for when you want to report the data. What can you use it for? Look up processes, check inventory, look up customer information, manage a volunteer list, manage donors, etc. For example, in the following tutorials, the database will be created for the owner of a company to pull information by manufacturer, types of cards she creates, keywords, item name and type, place of purchase, and cost. Access is made up of objects, and the 4 main objects that we're going to discuss in our tutorials that we're going to utilize are tables, queries, forms, and reports. Tables store your data in rows and columns. All databases have 1 or more tables. Queries is how Access retrieves and processes your data by pulling data from different tables. Forms control data entry. This forces the user to enter data in a particular way, which lessens the chance of data entry error. Reports are the objects you're going to use to summarize and print your data.